Hi, we are Lumina Partners, and this is our case for international expansion of Alcramo. So let's start. First, I'll analyze Alcramo's 2025 environment using the PESTE framework to highlight how the global business environment shapes its strategy. So first, politically, circular economy policies and plastic bans are creating good conditions for sustainable markets. The company should focus on regulation-stable, policy-aligned regions. Economically, logistics, cost, and urban density matter most, meaning dense middle-income cities are ideal targets. Socially, growing waste awareness means trust and transparency are key. Alcramo needs to highlight their social impact. Technologically, tools like AI and automation can help Alcramo scale efficiently and report their impact clearly. And environmentally, reducing plastic and carbon is essential. Alcramo's operations must stay verifiable and low impact. So overall, Alcramo's strategy is clear, focus on tech-enabled, transparent, low impact growth in sustainability-driven markets.
Well, I'm Sofia and I'm going to talk about the specific advantages of Algramo. First is smart packaging technology. Packaging as a wallet is unique. The RFID chip connects the container to a digital wallet, and this makes the system efficient, transparent, and creates a direct link with the customer. Second, Algramo has a flexible business model. It works in many places: home delivery, retail stores, smart shops, and mobile refill stations, which helps the company adapt to different countries and markets. And third, Algramo has strong global partners like Unilever, Nestlé, Colgate-Palmolive, Walmart, and Lidl. These partnerships gives the company credibility and make the expansion faster. Fourth, the brand has a strong purpose, environmental impact, and social justice. This is very attractive for customers and governments that care about sustainability. And finally, Algramo has a special knowledge about refill systems and consumer behavior. This is a key advantage because it can be shared and scaled around the world.
We choose hybrid transitional structure because we thought that it will allow us to share expertise globally while adopting locally, and it will ensure efficiency, innovation, and sustainable growth. At the top, a global innovation hub in Santiago de Chile would lead R&D, technology, and brand consistency. And beyond that, in regional subsidiaries in Europe, North America, Latin America, and Asia, they will handle local operation, logistics, and regulation. In the next slide, we suggested some locations for operation, and we started with Germany, Finland, then continuing with United States, Mexico, and Indonesia. So we choose these countries because of three factors. Which one is a strong regulatory and consumer alignment? Because in Finland and Germany, they are global leaders of circular economy policies. And then because of partnership readiness, we choose those countries, like because we are already working with Lidl, Walmart, Target, and this kind of partners. And the last one is operational feasibility, and because of high urban density, efficient logistics, and advanced digital payment system, we will be more successful in those locations. So in the end, we will start with mature markets, and then we will gain knowledge, credibility, and move to the emerging markets like Mexico and Indonesia.
So, how should Alcramo enter these new markets? Alcramo should use both joint ventures and greenfield projects when entering a new country's market. The control and independence of greenfield projects give Alcramo the flexibility to create reliable and fast supply chains. Joint ventures should be used to expand supply chain coverages, as well as to deepen the knowledge about consumer behavior and laws and regulations in the host country. Large retail chains like K-Ryhmä and the aforementioned Lidl, Walmart, and Target are crucial as partners for the goal of 100,000 new refill stations. Host country partners should meet the high standards of Alcramo in hygiene and user experience. After the initial market entries to Europe and North America have been completed and operations have reached high-quality standards, franchising and new market entries to other countries can be considered. Franchising could present certain risks with quality control and brand image, but could also enable major market expansion in countries with less centralized grocery chains. Expansion to other countries is also likely needed to achieve set goals, but should be done gradually to give time to adjust to specifications of new markets.
So, to what extent is a strategy plausible? Let's do the overall assessment of the strategy. So, the Alcramo strategy is ambitious yet achievable, in my opinion. Strong foundation in developed markets like Germany, Finland, and US, partnership with global retailers enable rapid scaling, and balanced use of greenfield projects and joint ventures ensures both control and adaptability. The strategic strengths are transnational structure, blending global integration and local adaptation, centralized R&D that supports innovation and brand consistency, and regional subsidiaries, allowing responsiveness to consumer and regulatory diversity. But there are some quite challenges and risks. The goal is very ambitious. 100,000 refill stations by 2030 requires major investments, scalable technologies, strong operational coordination, where the key risks are quality control and expansion pace. In final conclusion, expansion is phased strategically, partnerships are leveraged effectively, resources are adequately committed, will be the key factor towards the success of this project. That was it. Thank you for your attention.